last weekend I went to play Pokemon Go with my brother over in Bayfront Park in Miami. There was a community day going on and there was a lot of Dratinis spawning everywhere. We were so busy having so much fun and trying to catch all the Dratinis that we could before 5 o'clock that we actually forgot to eat. We just walked around in Bayfront and Bayside. All the usual restaurants like Hooters and Chili's and Five Guys were packed, and we really didn't want to deal with it. So as the sun set, looking at the maps, I saw that Pincho Factory was nearby. So we got in the car and headed straight on over, and lo and behold, it was not that busy. There's this burger that I've always wanted to try that's called the Toston burger. This burger has tostones instead of bread for the buns, and I love tostones. And for those of you that don't know what tostones are, they're basically plantains squished into a disc, fried, and then refried, so they're twice fried. I ordered my toston burger with no lettuce or tomatoes, so it's just straight meat and plantain, but it was so good. Oh my gosh. It was $8.99, and that's actually not bad because we were in Miami where everything is usually like 15 bucks or up. And it actually started with two cousins over at a family barbecue talking about how they wish they could eat the burgers and pinchos that they had like that every day and know what they were eating. They wanted something more organic, something clean, something delicious. But they have several locations throughout Miami. If you are ever in Miami and you want to check this place out, please make a stop over there. And that's it for this video. I will see you next time. Sorry it hasn't been really consistent. I don't have a set schedule for my videos, but I do appreciate the people that do watch these videos. It's hard with 2 jobs, but I do try. I have some stuff saved. I just have to sit down and edit them. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or recommendations, please put it in the comment section below. And if you like this video, if you like this channel, please subscribe and hit notifications so you know when the next video is up. I'm taller than you. No! No! No!
Who's taller than you now?
Asshole. There's a dog. It's so cute. All these dogs just they want to say hi. They're so cute.
Yeah, usually like 15.
Oh my gosh. You are too small. You are too small. Oh my god. Hey. Oh. Look at this one.
No, don't worry about it.
Dogs. There's dogs